So a couple of videos ago, we talked about the importance of claiming and optimizing the Google Business Profile for your insurance agency. That's a location-based profile. So if you have multiple locations, you'll have to optimize it, claim and optimize for each location. But I thought it would be worth going through the mechanics. How do you do that? So briefly, the way to start is just do a search in Google for your own agency. So I've done one here, and when you do that, and this agency will pop up over here. This is called the knowledge cards. It's a bunch of information that Google has about this agency and in the Google business profile. So photos, what are your hours, your reviews, whether you post anything on a weekly basis, that kind of thing will show up here. So in order to claim this, I'm just going to go ahead and click own this business, this question down here. If I click that, it'll take me to a page that says manage now. Okay, and I'm not going to do that because um, it's not our agency. I'm going to say, yeah, get out of here. But when I do that, it'll ask me to um, how I want to validate who I am. So it'll send a message with a code to the business phone number, or it'll send a postcard. So there's some protection against random people claiming your business profile. The best protection for preventing random people from claiming your business profile is to claim it yourself. Once you do that, once you claim it, you'll come to a page that looks kind of like, whoops, this one over here. So you'll see there's a whole bunch of different things I can do. I can edit the profile, I can look at reviews, respond to them, I can respond to messages, I can add photos, I can see how my profile is performing, how often do I show up in search and things like that. There's a bunch of different things. So I'm going to click on profile here, and it's pretty much just fill in the blanks, right? What's your primary um, category of business, and secondary ones after that. Who's your contact? What's your location, hours? You just basically fill it in. It's pretty straightforward. You can do it all. You can do some of it. You can come back and finish it later. The important thing is go ahead and search for your agency if you've not claimed your Google business profile. Claim it, do the verification process, and then start adding information to it so that you don't have somebody else claiming it on you and you don't have inaccurate information out there about your agency, which is limiting your visibility, limiting the number of leads that you might get.